You want to be an interior designer or an interior decorator without going to college? Let's talk about it in today's Train Your Eye exercise. In step one, I'm going to talk about color temperature. So please let me know in the comments if you think that this space falls more on the warmer side, which would be a 10, or on the cooler side, which would be a 1. Give me a number between 1 and 10 in the comments. The second thing we're going to do in training our eyes and our brains to think and see like an interior designer would is to be able to recognize the patterns or the decisions in the shapes in this space. So go ahead and let me know in the comments, what kind of shape trend are we seeing here? I made it easy for you. I circled some of it. And even better, let me know where you're seeing this repeated. That is one of the big things that you need to learn how to do in interior design or in the training for interior design is recognizing these things as patterns. So when I tell you to recognize patterns, I'm not just saying recognize the pattern on the carpet. I'm saying recognize the patterns of decisions. There's shapes happening here. And then they're happening in other places in this room also. Tell me where. The third thing we're gonna do here, and then I'll give you some answers, is the colors. Tell me the 5 colors that you see in this room. We already talked about the color temperature of them, but now I want you to talk about the colors. Once you put that in the comments, and yes, I'm expecting to see multiple comments from you because this is a lesson, it's an exercise, it's interactive. We're doing this together. Tell me the base color and the focal color. The base color, for those of you who are new here, is the foundational color of the room design. And the focal color is the color that pops out to you. And a tip that I always give is if you don't know how to figure out which is the base color and which is the focal color, squint. If you're looking at a picture, squint. If you're in a room, focus on one area of the room and squint. The color that tends to wash over your view is generally the base color. And the color that stands out the most when everything's blurred, that is generally the focal color. And it's not always what you would have thought to begin with. My answers, color temperature, I'm gonna give this a 7.2. Remember that whatever number you pick means whatever's left in the numbers up to 10 is how much warmer we can make it. So if I would have said this is a 9, that wouldn't really be accurate because there's more than 1 degree here that we can make changes and make this even warmer than from a 9 to a 10. The 5 colors I see are a terracotta orange, mustard yellow, a cream white, and a dark green. Anybody who wants extra credit and goes and finds the paint colors on Sherwin-Williams website to match these colors will get the extended 40% off the crash course code because it's only good for a few days and I don't even think it's good when I've posted this. Base color is terracotta and the focal color for me is the cream.